Okay, so next up is the earrings. I make these a lot in leather, and then I've just transferred the technique and changed it slightly to include the rope, and it's great for little scraps of rope, and they look kind of effective, I think. So all you need for the length that I've got on is about 14 centimetres of the rope. Now again, you can decide if you want longer ones or shorter ones, and you can experiment a little, but these are so easy because basically you're just going to take your rope and do the most kind of normal knot there is, like so. And then you're going to grab those two ends, and then you're going to be inserting those in one of the little barrels. Now this one's stretched a little, so I am going to just fix him up because that could make him a little bit difficult, because now you're inserting 2 bits of rope. You do have to be careful as well with the glue with this one. So just make sure that they're as neat as possible before you do this. And then exactly the same, you take your little barrel clasp, you fill it 50% with a little super glue, and then I often put one in first and then quickly put in the second one. But you'll definitely need your little cocktail stick to help you force that in as quickly as possible. And there you go. That's your little braid or little kind of knotted earring ready to go, and then you just need to make the other and you're good to go. Enjoy!